Hi, kids. Welcome back to Scratch Programming for Kids. Today we are going to make a fun activity. We will program the Scratch cat to ask the user if they want it to grow or shrink. Then the cat will follow the answer. Finally, the program will end with a message. Step 1. Start the program. From the Events category, drag the block. When green flag clicked, this will start our program. Step 2. Ask the user a question. From the Sensing category, drag this block. Ask and wait. Inside the box, type, "Do you want me to grow or shrink?" This makes the cat ask the player. Step 3. Control with if-else. From the Control category, drag. If, then else. We will use this block to check the answer. Step 4. Check the answer. From the Operators category, drag equals block. Place it inside the if condition. From the Sensing category, drag. Answer and put it in the left side of equals. In the right side, type grow. Now it will check if the answer is grow. Step 5. Make cat grow or shrink. From the Looks category, drag. Change size by 50 inches. Put it inside the if part. Change size by -30. Put it inside the else part. Now, if the player types grow, the cat will grow. If they type shrink, the cat will shrink. Step 6. Add ending backdrop. Go to the stage and choose a second backdrop. Name it End. From the Looks category, drag. Switch backdrop to End. Place it after the if-else block. Step 7. Show the end message. From the Looks category, drag. Say the end for 2 seconds. Now, after the cat grows or shrinks, the program will switch to the end backdrop and display the end. Closing. That's it. You just created a Scratch program where the cat asks the user, follows the answer, and shows the end. Try it yourself and don't forget to save your project.